In this video, we will be seeing reducing the neck part or the round for the neck and armhole round, or giving the shapes to this armhole as well as neck. Okay, fine. Why I am putting this? Because I am lefty, so I prefer it going from left to right. You can put your paper like this, and then accordingly you can work. Okay. Yeah, it's very habitual to me that when I start a new row or something like that, I generally make it like this. So you definitely you will be finding that I'm going wrong way, you're going right way. I mean, I'm going towards from left to right, and you're going from right to left. Yeah, because I'm lefty. Okay, fine. Let's see. Now, let's assume that this is my front part of my blouse, crocheting front part of the blouse. I have taken thick wool here, acrylic yarn. Now, here armhole is more or the bigger than the neck length. Okay, neck mine is 6 and this is 6.5 armhole length. If your is totally ulta, like the neck length will be, if it is more than the armhole, no problem, you have to work in the same manner. See now, suppose that after completing this burst part, I made few, I am assuming that I made few lines over here. This is a sample part. Okay, now see here, what I have to do, I have to reduce the stitches from here. Okay, I have to reduce the stitches from here. Just see this. Okay, I have to reduce the stitches from here. So 4 shells, I am counting 4 shells here. Okay, so I'll be making single crochet on this shells. Though this is the sample pattern, I am not taking complete 4 shells, I am just putting it like this so that I can show you at the same time I can show you the neck side also. Okay, so I'll reduce. Just hold your project like this and check, draw the line here and check that I have to reduce from this third shell. So what I'll do, I'll be doing single crochet till the third shell. Okay, one chain and single crochet till the third shell. Mine is third shell, you might have 4 shells. It depends on your pattern, your measurements. Okay, it may not match up with my measurements. Sometimes it may match, sometimes it may not. Now see. Okay, now I have to reduce from here. So what I'll do, I'll take 2 chains here and I'll start doing my pattern. Okay, regular pattern. Mine is of 2 daisies. So 1, 2 daisies, 1 single crochet. Once I finish this row, I'll get back to you. Look at this now. See, my row is completed. This is the neck side or the front side of the strip where we are going to attach the hook strip here. So it will go straight till I meet the complete length. Okay, so I will not reduce or increase anything here. I'll go in the same way as per my pattern. I'll work till the last shell of the row. I will not be working on this single crochet as we did the same way we followed for the back part of the blouse to reduce the armhole stitches. We will be doing in that way only. Okay, so I'll start my row. Next row I'll get back to this last shell. Look at this now. Okay, I reached here. Now again I have to reduce this shell as well, and then when I will complete this, while going back I have to reduce some stitches and give the curved shape for the neckline. Okay, see here now. So what I'll do for this, I'll take 2 chains, one and two, one single crochet on the top of this shell, then 2 chains and my regular pattern to complete the row. See here. Okay, now see the shape. Okay, I'll get back here, and while returning back I have to reduce the stitches for giving the curved shape to the neck part. Okay, so once I finish this row I'll get back to you. Look at this now. Okay, now what I have to do, see here, I will be doing the single crochet till this 1, 2 and 3 shells. Okay, all single crochets here, and then I'll continue my pattern from here to here. Again I need to reduce one more shell from here and one more shell from here in the next row, but first I will reduce all these 3 shells in the beginning. So I'll be doing single crochets on these 3 shells, and then I'll make the pattern as usual, 2 chains and my pattern, and then I'll get back to this side. Okay, but here I still require, pay attention here, see the shape, I still require to reduce one more shell. So I'll be working till this shell, last shell, and then I'll get back to you. First, now what I'll do, I'll reduce this 1, 2, 3 shells. For that, 1 chain and 1 single crochet in each stitch. 1, 2, 3. Why 3? Because my pattern is of 2 DCs. If you are following the pattern of 3 DCs, you will be doing 3 plus 1 for 1 shell. So if you are going to reduce 3 shells, that would be 4 into 3. Means 12 single crochets you need to make. Take into consideration that you need to keep on counting. Now see, I reduce this. Fine. Now I will start doing my pattern till this last shell, and when I come here you can see that I have to reduce one more shell. So this is what, once you understand how to do it, you can easily reduce any number of stitches according to the pattern. Yes, I am planning for future also. I am planning to make the videos for katori blouse as well as princess cut and most wanted most demanding, not wanted, I must say most demanding blouse, Sabyasachi pattern. Yeah, I am planning for that also. Long back I was working for Sajid Nadiadwala also. I was making casual wears for him. Long ago, almost 25 years ago. Once again I am planning to make something like that. See this. Now my row is completed. Okay, my row is completed. You can just check. Fine. Now, as per this pattern, I don't require to reduce from here. But if you want to reduce, you can reduce in the same way. As we did for the arm side, you can reduce like this. Is that okay? Now here, see, I have to reduce this. So what I'll do, I'll take 2 chains and 1 single crochet on the top of the shell, and then I will continue with my pattern. 2 chains and 2 DCs in this valley place again. See, I will continue in this way till I reach the last stage. I hope you must have understood how to reduce at a time from both the sides. Whether this is your armhole, whether it is your long neck or deep neck, doesn't matter. Okay? Once you understand this, definitely you will be understanding how to make the different types of shapes for the neck, like V shape, yeah, deeper V shape, valley shape, then matka shape, round and square. You are learning in this pattern of make crocheting the blouse, but the other shapes are also there. There are different types of sleeves can be made. For this we will be making simple sleeve as per the pattern, but in future I am planning to take the workshop only for the sleeves, different types of sleeves, so that you can just imagine and you can do according to your imaginations. Okay, so I hope you must have understood this. Enjoy crocheting. Bye bye. Yes, really, I enjoy it and I take it as a art therapy. And I suggest everyone, all my students, throughout my life, I just kept telling them that get yourself busy into one of the hobbies, any one of the hobbies, so that you can refresh your mind. Okay, so bye bye. Keep crocheting.